All right, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. Let's get started here. We are discussing and we're having a lot of opinions. But please, guys, let's not construe this as advice and, in any way. A warm welcome to you. A warm welcome to you. Warm welcome. Warm welcome. Jules, Tanya, Ilam, Young Sunny. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, Savage. All right, are you guys ready to go? Are you guys ready to go? Let's check out that economic calendar here, guys. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Were we not spot on? Look at this. Isn't that just amazing? Where you at, guys? Isn't that just amazing? How accurate were we? How accurate were we on these figures? My goodness. Let's wait for all the slow pokes here. Let's see for them to come and join us. Guys, look at the accuracy here. CPI came out worse than expected. Median CPI, trimmed CPI, they all came out. Look at that. Look at that. My goodness. All right, so let's do a bit of charting. I see you there, Shira. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Wherever you are, hit me up. Yeah, don't forget to like the stream. Not only the chat, the stream. Like the stream, guys. Show a brother some love here. If you're here for the very first time, a warm welcome to you. You've come to the right place. Don't be shy. We just want to welcome you as well. So let us know if you're here for the first time. Let us know if you're here for the first time as well. That would be great. Guys, I'm in my buys. I'm in my buys here. I'm about to get in here now. I'm waiting for a better candle here. See that candle? I'm waiting for a better candle. I'm already in the CADs and the minis. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry, guys. All right, so I'm already in longs here, guys. I said to you, by the time you come on, I might be in longs. Is there anyone else that agreed here? Anyone there? Anyone there? Guys, who is there? Let me know. So this trade here, just before I go to my trades, look at the oil price. Oh, beautiful. Came down to 85. Exactly to 85. What a beautiful movement to the downside. I'm now waiting for it to break beneath 84. If it breaks beneath 84, oh, USD CAD doing well here. I'm already in here, guys. Look at this, man. Yes, look at this. I'm already in. Savage, there we go. Good. All right, I see the Shira. Anyone else there? Let's see. Guys, phenomenal. EuroCAD here, look at this. Also in there. This one is taking a little bit longer though. This one is a little bit out of shape when you compare it to the USD CAD. The USD CAD doing much better than the EuroCAD. And even the GBP CAD is, it's actually struggling a little bit here. And I really don't like that candle. Bit of a rejection there. I'm not liking the GBP CAD, but But I was on that issue. I had that issue with it early on as well. I just had an issue with it. So I'm gonna wait on this one. GBP CAD. I'm gonna wait on this one. All right. Let's see here. Then we got to check out the gold price. You can see we've gone and we've touched 4036. We've touched it. We're not above. Look at that beautiful candle. If this was outside, if this candle was outside 4036, it would have been a beautiful candle, a beautiful trade to the upside. Because immediately when it rejected there, we came down. So that means this area is very valid. To all the guys that's really watching here, guys, let me say this again. This is very valid. This is a very valid zone, 4036.93. The moment it rejected there, it came down. So if it pushed above there, we would have gone up. Very valid. I'm still waiting on it though. I'm not going to give up on the oil price. I'm still looking for some upside there. So guys, the USD CAD, I'm there. The Euro CAD, I'm also there, but they're struggling a little bit here against the Canadian dollar. All right. Gold, I'm going to be waiting a little bit here. The Euro USD, and I'm going to get some insight now as to why the Euro CAD is doing so poorly, or at least why it's not performing. The Euro CAD, okay? This is why. Because the Euro USD is not pushing. That is why. It's because the Euro USD is not pushing. The USD has strengthened against the Euro, and that is putting our Euro CAD in a very, very odd and crazy place. So Euro USD, I'm going to have to wait for this one. I'm going to have to wait. But I'm looking to take the Euro USD up to 1.16182. All right. 1.16182. And this is already bullish. It's already bullish. It's already gone past some critical areas. But I do think what's going to happen now is we're going to go up gradually. All right. Eventually, we'll reach 1.16. But I think there's a lot of resistance. And I'm going to show you the area where I see a lot of resistance. Roughly around this 61 area here, I see a lot of resistance. So gradually, we're going to push up. Gradually, we're going to push up, 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 up. Eventually to go and hit that 1.16. Okay? A lot of resistance at this area over here. Lots. Everybody clear on the Euro USD? Lots of resistance here though. I'll be very, very frank with you guys. Lots of resistance here. It's a bit of a problem. Locked in there. Yeah, Savage, you know what? That Euro USD, when it comes to a short, I'm not going to be dealing with 15. You're going to be going really low on that one, okay? So just watch out. Just watch out if you're going to go short on it, all right? US 30. Look at this. We've pushed above. We've pushed above. So anticipating the the US 30 to go up even further. All right, and I'll be checking out at 1530 now with all of you guys here. So there's going to be 52,651 points. All right, I'm going to be looking for this area over here. It's already gone and broken above that zone. Guys, I'll be very honest with you here. I don't like this candle. Oh, hold on. Let me substantiate why. All right, I only have a small bit of the candle above. The rest is at the bottom. That's where I'm struggling with it. Yeah, I know. You see, I'm struggling with this candle. I would like a much better candle above that area. So I'll be looking for a 1 minute. Yeah, look at that. See this? I'll be looking for 1 minute above. I'm looking for a 1 minute frame here. So I'm going to leave it right. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm looking for 1 minute to close above convincingly. I'm going to take it up to that area 52. 651. That is the US 30. So I'll be watching the US Open now very carefully for that one, okay? The silver price, silver, 1 hour frame here. Lots of divergence happening here. Lots of divergence happening here on the silver price. Oh my. Oh my. Previous high there. Ooh. Look at this. Lots of divergence, guys. So we've reached the 50. Remember, it's all psychological levels, right? Looking at 59 here. The next break I have. Sorry, wrong color. I'm with you guys. $57. Silver above 57. $15 up to 59.661. All right, you say on the hourly frame there. Yeah, this is also the hourly frame though, yeah? Maybe be more specific with me, Savage. Where are you trying to sell it to? Give me the price. Where are you trying to sell it to? Let's see. Guys, open up your MT5s, guys. Guys, don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. We are about 17 minutes away from US Open. Don't forget to like the stream quickly, guys. Like the stream, like the stream, like the stream, like the stream. Savage, quickly provide. Okay, 1.13955. Let's see. 1.13955. Ah, no, sorry. That's my mistake. Okay, that's a short scalp there. Okay, well, I can't disagree with you on that. That's about 21 pips. Savage, I can't disagree with you on that. I do think we're going to push down a little bit first. Where I would have came in and said, hold up, if you were telling me down here, I'd be like, whoa, hold on a second. There, I can't disagree with you. I can't. All right, I can't, my friend. Thank you very much for letting me know there, yeah? Guys, don't forget, like the stream. Like the stream. Come on. And open up your MT5s, guys. All right, so, Ash, where are we at now? Guys, we're dealing with setups, all right? We're dealing with the setups for the week. We have already started moving on the minute frames on these assets for the start of the week. We're going to continue with the minute frames, all right, for the rest of the day here because that's where the movement is. We'll be seeing how that follows through with the assets tomorrow. For today, we are dealing with the minute frames here. Where did we start off with? We started off with oil. Oil has gone down as anticipated, down to 85, okay? $85 per barrel. If it continues the way it is, which I think at this point it will, below $84.55 per barrel, Ash wants action there, down there. I want to take it down to 81, okay? The USD CAD, I'm in it. There's a bit of a correction happening now here. Okay, there's a bit of a correction. It's already moved up 20 pips. I'm anticipating it to go to 1.4586. So there is a correction. EuroCAD, the same with this one here. There is a correction. Like I said to you guys, it can go up on the, at 2:30. 1 hour later, it can do the total opposite. So I'll be watching this low very carefully here now. Fortunately, this is a very, very good risk and reward that I have. Also here, very good risk and reward. I'm at these lows. If it breaks my lows, obviously I will not stay in these trades here, guys. I think that's needless to say, okay? The GBP CAD, I was not fancying this one anyway. As it relates to a move, it just not looking okay. It just seems like this one wants to push down first. All right, I don't think it will break this low, but I do think we're going to come down. We may just come back to this high here, okay? The gold price, I'm waiting for it. It already touched my area here, 436. I'm just waiting for it. We could get this at the US Open. So we could be going up here. If it does 483, it's going to be brilliant here. Euro USD, the same here, Savage. We might just push down now and then we go up later on. The US 30, guys, is already broken above that area, but I'm waiting for a 1 minute frame to break comfortably above the 52370, that blue line. Once I get that area, it's already broken through. So there's some guys that will go in now, but for me, I want something a little bit more, I want something stronger. All right. I want something stronger. It's already broken through, but I would like something a little bit stronger. All right. When we came on the stream here at 12 o'clock, we were roughly, this is where price was. So price, whilst we were waiting for the 3 o'clock session, you can see we've broken through. So you can go, there is obviously space for the guys to go in now, but because I mean, this is a very good price. We could just be pushing down a little bit further. Let me just wait for it. If it does push down in here, I'll buy at that area there, because that's much lower and I get a good risk and reward ratio. All right, my stop loss is great. Why I don't want to go in right now is because I have a low here, so I'm waiting for that there. If I enter there, I have a stop loss that I can place here. Now, if price comes down till there, I have my stop loss zone here. So I'm waiting for it. Either we go up or we come a little bit down. Either way, if we go there, I get in. If we come here, I get in. I'll have a ratio to actually work with. All right, that's going to be important for me on the US 30. Silver, we have a low here. Nice low here. So I'm waiting for price to push up. We already have a low and we have another one here. So I'm going to be waiting on this one. All right, we've got a few lows here for a stop loss. I'm going to be waiting. Let it just push up a little bit here. And then I have my lows here. All right. We also have the VIX. The VIX, look at this, guys. Look at that. Still correcting a little bit here now. Still correcting a little bit here. But it seems like it's finding a bit of support, though. We'll wait for it, okay? Let's go. GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. Guys, let me know what you're trading in the chat facility. Let me know what else you are trading over there, okay? USD CAD, just give it a bit of time. It looks like it's just a bit of a fight happening there now. But we're going to wait. We're going to wait. It's 1519 now. 1519. 1519. All right, let's see. GBP USD. Down. Yeah, we could be coming down here first, eh? We could be coming down here first. Savage, that's why I said to you, I don't disagree, eh? With that drop first. GBP, and that's why I don't like the GBP CAD that much. 33379, look at that. Look at that. And we've already, I think is definitely a rejection here. Oh, man. Definitely a rejection here. From there, this is a nice trade. So watch these highs carefully. We could possibly just come back here. Hold on, let me show you. Just watch these highs here. All right, just watch those highs. Guys, even if you wanted to enter now, this is a good entry. Wow. This is a good entry. All right, I'm going to go in here. I'm going in here for a short. I've just gone in with a short here, but I'm watching these highs very carefully, and I want to take it down to this area here. So I'm watching these highs here. If we break above here, I will not stay in this trade. If we get a candle sticking out there, let's say we get this. Let's say we get this. Look at this. Let's say we get this. I will not stay in here. All right. So I'm in here for a short, and I want to take it down to 1.33. That's a good. It's roughly about. Yeah, this is great. This is great here. This is good. Down here, 1.33379 GBP USD. Yeah. So you see, Savage, your correlation on the two is for me is a bit off there. It's not consistent for me there. All right. So I'm not gonna go with that long that you're looking for GBP USD. I'm seeing shorts on both Euro USD and GBP USD. I'm correlating that with the GBP CAD. The dollar has strengthened a little bit here against the major pairs. So Euro USD, I'm still looking for some downside. GBP USD, and also if the US 30 continues to come down here, if it comes down, it means the dollar could be strengthening even more. And it does look like we could still come down one more time here with the US 30. We're already below the 50 mark. So we may just drop a little bit. And if this drops here, the dollar strengthens. All right. And this then gets into profit. So I'm going to wait for that. Even this silver here, we may just drop one more time. Mokhasi, Euro GBP. Let's go see. Euro GBP. So guys, Savage is looking for a long on GBP USD. All right. I'm looking for the short. So it's good. There is indifference, and it's good. That's how markets are made. There's indifference. Euro GBP. All right. Let's see here. Mokhasi, give me some more. Looking for a long on Euro GBP. Savage gave me the time frame there, hourly. So Mokhasi, give me the time frame as well, yeah, and give me the number. Looking for a long. Okay, Mokhasi, I'm seeing this guy reject a little bit here, man. Let's see. Give me a second. Okay. I assume you're using a 15. Are you using a 15 minute? What are you using there? It's last week's trade. Are you using a 15 minute? What are you using there? Quickly, let me know there, bud. What are you using there? Because if you're using a shorter time frame, okay. We're revisiting this area here now. Okay. Come on. Okay, 1 hour. 5 minutes left until the US Open, guys. Okay, I see something here now. Okay, I see something here. All right. I see it here. Oh, man. Listen here. This will be a beautiful trade. So do you see, guys, on the cross pairs and the major pairs, there's a bit of a lag happening. Okay, hold on for me, guys. I'm checking it out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All right. So Euro GBP, I agree. Actually, 15-minute frame here. Above, I'll check this one. 84986. 986 right there. 84986. I can tell you this. I had something on the pound earlier on. Just give me a second. Let me see if I still have it. Yeah, so the pound here, guys. So there's a lot of drivers as well. The political focus on the new prime minister is there and chancellor. Higher oil prices obviously could keep the UK inflation a little bit elevated, and obviously market expects the Bank of England to keep policy tight. So the impact now, medium-term support for the pound, although the stronger US dollar is obviously limiting a lot of those gains. So we're seeing that dollar strengthen a little bit more against the pound. In this specific case, if the euro continues to doing what it's doing, remember we said euro, it stays supported if the ECB remains hawkish. All right, rates are likely unchanged, but they do expect those further hikes on the rates. So if that is the consistency that's happening here, you can see divergence is forming above 84986. That's where I'm going to get in there, Mohasi. That's why I'm going to get in there. Brett, not a problem. Savage, 4-hour long, up to 81365. Guys, get out your MT5s. Get them out. Make the notes. Don't leave it to chance. USD Swiss franc. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to USD Swiss franc. For the guys that has joined in, I am at this point, I am long on USD CAD. I'm long on Euro CAD at this point in time. I'm short on GBP USD, but I'm watching this GBP USD very carefully, okay? I said I'm watching those highs. I got a stop loss in place, but I'm watching the highs. I might just get out before my stop loss. Like I said to you, if I get a candle that is going to be breaking like this, I would get out. Then I won't wait for my stop loss, okay? If I get a candle that breaks above this high, this area here, I'm getting out. I'm not going to stay in. Right now, I'm bearish. I am following the sentiment of the euro dollar. I'm following the sentiment of the USD CAD, all right? So USD Swiss franc, Savage 4-hour, all right. I don't think you were on early on, all right? So I'm gonna try and be efficient here. I'm actually only doing 1 hour's up. I'm actually only doing 1 hour's up, all right? But let me see what's happening here. USD Swiss franc, I did that one earlier. I'm still looking for some shorts there as well, but it's staying stuck in that zone. Hold on. Yeah, Savage, I don't know about this one, eh? Okay, I see what you're saying. Hold on for me. See, this is a very important point here. That's an important point. That's a critical point. Yeah. Okay, I hear you on that. However, I'm going to be honest with you, Savage. I'm going to be honest with you. I've already come to the 50. Okay. This area here, but just before the 61. All right, so the only way I'm going to agree with you right now, I'm still bearish here, but I'll agree with you if we break above the zone here. I know you said 8 up to 81365. But then you're not trade. Yeah, but this is then it's more of a, yeah, this is short term, man. It doesn't have, you don't have to trade this on a 4 hour. This you can trade on a 1 hour. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, this is a 1 hour thing. It's not a 4 hour thing. This is a 1 hour thing, all right? Samu selling GBP since last week in 1 hour and still holding. You should be in profits. Yes, that's GBP AUD. We were there. We were there. We were there. We were there. So this is more of a 1 hour here, Savage. You don't have to trade this on a 4 hour because these levels are so applicable. We are already there. It's a 50 pip move. Okay. So if that's the case, then this is what you're trading. This is what you're trading. You're trading here. This is Savage's move, guys. See this gray block? That's Savage's move there. All right, so we anticipate from here we're going to push up. That does not take us away from the short here. Okay? It does not take us away from the short there. We could correct there. Yes, further up extend. So I will not be in disagreement with that because of what's happening on the USD CAD, what's happening on the Euro USD, and obviously the GBP USD as well. All right. All right, look at this, 1532. We've gone up. There we go. We've gone up. We've gone up. We've gone up. Let's see. Do we have a nice candle? Yes. Looking much better here. Let's see. Similar candles, right? Yes, the day. Similar candles. See, similar candles, guys. What would be great now, what's going to be great for me here is if I can get a candle to close beneath here now. Yes, I can get a candle to close beneath. The next one to open right there. I got 1 minute 32 seconds left. If I can get a candle to close now, and then it starts from that one up above, that's going to be great. Look at that. See? Yes. Look at that. So this candle is not good enough. That's why I'm not in. That's not good enough. This USD CAD looks like it wants to drop. Guys, I'm getting out of this USD CAD for now. Looks like we're gonna drop here. Okay, I'm out in profits. I'm out in profits on USD CAD. Looks like we're dropping here. I don't feel like waiting for. I'm out. Where was I now? US30. Sorry, I'm out on the USD CAD on profits. US30. US30. I want this one here. I'm out on profits. USD CAD. All right. GBP USD not moving. All right. I'm waiting for a better candle on the US30 now. It's 1534. All right. 1534. EuroCAD, I'm still in though. EuroCAD, I'm still in. I'll just wait for the oil price here quickly, guys. The oil price, 84. Hopefully, we're going to go down to 84.55. I want to get in there. But the US30, I'm out on the USD CAD. I got out. I think we're going to drop first a little bit here now. So I'm not interested to wait for that drop. I just got out on the profits. It's okay. It's okay. US30 is rejecting at the same place it did. Look at that. I'm not getting in here yet. It's rejecting at the same place. Look, same place. So I'm not going to get in here now. It's rejecting at the same place. Look at that. Hope you guys are tracking. We're doing very well here. We're doing very well here, guys. Yeah, I think we're going to drop here first. For what? What was I check out for, Savage? What must I check out on USD CAD? I'm seeing a bit of a pullback coming. I'm out. There's a higher level that I'm going to go to with the USD CAD, and it's at 1.441. So I'm not really worried so much about this now. Okay, I got out. I got a quick scalp in there. If it comes down, goes up. This is what I actually want. I want this one here. This is just bonus. All right. So I'm not moved by. This is what I want. That's why I had both levels. Okay, USD CAD, that's what I want, 1.41149. So whatever I manage to get here, that's a bonus. I want this move from there to there. That's the move I want, actually. All right, on the USD CAD. All right, let's go back. US 30. So the USD CAD. I mean the US 30. Even let's look at the S&P 5. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. We're just waiting for it. So US 30, I'm just waiting for the US 30 to find a bit of ground here. The problem is it is at the same place, rejecting. If I can just get a better candle above the 52370, if I can just get a much better candle above the 52370, but the oil's looking good. I'm out on the USD CAD on profits. Euro CAD, I'm still waiting here. GBP CAD, I've not gotten into at all. This just looks like a wedge, a falling wedge. All right, sorry, a rising wedge to come down, a rising wedge. And then I got GBP USD. I'm in on a short there. Euro GBP, I'm not in there yet. All right. USD Swiss franc, that's Savage. Savage is on a buy there. So I'm waiting for US 30. I'm waiting for US 30. Gather some support, but come on. Gather some support there. There we go. Gather some support. Come on, gather some support. It's rejecting there. Look at that. Let's see. 25 seconds left. I'm waiting. Rejected again. Look. Look at that. All right, US stock indices rebounding from sharp losses on Monday. Heavyweight chip sector halted its sell-off. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 gained more than 0.5%, while the Dow added 150 points. That's important, guys. All right, we have the tech stocks mostly higher as markets continue to gauge whether the AI hyperscalpers are due to slow spending on AI infrastructure. All right, and we're seeing that Nvidia has rose there 1.5%. Alphabet gained 2% ahead of its update on Wednesday. And then obviously we have the latest bellwether for both chip and software development capital expenditure. So the fuel prices are still elevated. That's obviously having an effect here. And we are looking at some new information, obviously, there with the Iran and US. We're going to see what is going on there in the next hour or so. But for now, guys, all right, let's quickly look back on where we are. Okay, oil price still looking bearish here as anticipated for today. We anticipated oil to come down. It has. USD CAD to push up a little bit here. It has. We got a weaker or a worse than expected CPI report on CAD, which we were right about. So we pushed up a little bit here. I'm actually waiting for this trade here. So I got to wait at this point. Euro CAD, I am in a buy here. I have some good risk over here that if price does come down, I'll be watching these levels very carefully, the 1.60. I'm essentially now, I am looking for this area here. 1.611, not this area over here. That's just a zone where I'm anticipating price to go and halt a little bit, but I'm essentially looking for this entire move now up here. So if it comes down, I'll be watching these lows very carefully. All right, but at this point in time, I'm looking for that move there. That's what I'm looking for here. GBP CAD, I'm not doing anything there. The gold, I'm waiting for 4036. 4036. I have not engaged in Euro USD. I've engaged in GBP USD for a short. I'm currently in a short there. US30 still really not doing much. I need a break above, a proper break above 52,370. 52,370 points. Silver price, nothing here, but I hope that it does push nicely, because gold is going to fly if this happens as well. The Euro GBP, I'm waiting for 84986 over there. And then I know Savage is on the USD Swiss franc. Well done on that one. I don't disagree with this at all. For that 50 points or the 50 pips there, I don't disagree with that at all. I think that's a fantastic move. Let's just have it break above this area here. Then I think you are good to go, Savage. If it breaks above there, you're good to go. You're good to go, my friend. All right, so US30, I'm still waiting on this one. Quite a few points here, guys, but it's clear that this is a very strong area here that we're waiting for now. All right, it's a very strong area that we are waiting for at this point in time. 43 minutes in now, guys. Doing well, doing very well, actually, guys. For our first day in for the week, doing very, very well. I must say so myself. We're doing very well. Great consistency. Great consistency. Is everybody still there? Let's see. I see we are still consistent on some of the guys giving in their what they're actually trading. So this is a resistance for sure for buyers and sellers, for sure. All right, beautiful. We're doing very well, guys. Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan also added 1% each, guys, to their earnings. Man, it's the 20th of July already. All right, so here we go. We're trying again now. We are trying again. 12, 11, 10 seconds. Come on. Give us a nice big candle above the blue zone. 52,370. Come on, give us a nice big candle. All right, we're watching. Everyone's watching. Good. Yes, everyone's watching, guys. We are back at that support. Let's see if it holds. Struggling. It keeps going into. It keeps digging in there. It keeps digging in there, and I'm waiting for 1 minute, guys. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Like I said, I'm dealing with minute frames here on our first day. I'm dealing with minute frames here on our first day. Come on. 28 seconds. Give us the candle we are looking for. If you're trading the German DAX, looks pretty bearish on the 1 hour. Not sure if... Yeah, it looks pretty bearish, man. You see this one. Oh man, this looks very bearish. Hold on for me, guys. Ah, man. Yeah, this is the problem, guys. The German DAX is... Yeah, the German DAX is... Yeah, I'm not liking this, man. It's really just in a consolidated state right now. Matume, divergence seems a lot of selling pressure. US 30. The two other may come down at the top of the hour on bullish dollar. So expecting them to fall and gold fall. Yeah, look, we also bullish on the dollar. We also bullish on the dollar. The US 30, like I said, the reason why I'm not going in here is because it's not showing any follow through here. So I agree with you on the divergence here. All right. I agree with you on the divergence. But what has happened as well, which we cannot lie or look away from, is that it has broken into that zone. So there's a rejection happening now because of that bullish dollar, which I agree with you. Like I said, the USD CAD, we're pushing up here. I'm on a short with GBP USD. I'm in profits now. Savage is bullish on USD Swiss franc. So if you listen to what I've been saying this entire time, all right, Matume, we've not disagreed with the stronger dollar here. It's never been a disagreement today. All right. So what we're experiencing here, US 30, I don't want you to um, uh, get confused between the short and the medium term here. All right. So if we're looking at the US 30, we've already broken into 52,370. I've not gotten in there because the same zone is being rejected. So what I'm looking for here, I'm looking for a better movement to the upside. Hence, I'm not in yet. So if I don't get the movement to the upside, I will not engage. All right. S&P 500 here, we're seeing some movement to the upside. So the US 30, the S&P 500 at this point in time is not even looking similar. All right. Euro GBP, let's quickly go back there. I'm just waiting for 84986. So yeah, we are not in disagreement with the dollar. We're not in disagreement at all with the dollar being a little bit stronger. All right. Guys, always remember, guys, whenever we're dealing with the trading room and we're dealing with these different assets here, please listen carefully. Okay? Listen carefully, guys. All right, let's go back. Oil price. We've dug down into our area, $85 a barrel. We've dug down into it. Beautiful. Weak candle into it, though. Weak candle. Look at that. Weak one. Big movement that stayed above area. Coming down. So we need a massive candle beneath here. That would be a good follow through downward. Right now, just be very careful. Some guys will call this an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, shoulder. There's the head, and then it breaks the neckline to go up. I'm not engaging in anything here. I'm leaving this as is for now. Okay? This may even send the dollar. If this thing goes up, this can send the dollar into hyperdrive. All right. Then it means this one goes up, which is what I'm looking for. I want this movement here. That's what I want. That's what I'm after. That's the honey for me. This area is nice, but I want this one here. Okay. I'm still in EuroCAD. Like I said, I'm going to leave it to 1.611. That's my honey side. GBP CAD, I'm not in here at all. Gold right now, 4036. It touched it, didn't come back. I think we're still going to go down for another push. So guys, so far we're doing very well. There's nothing out of place. This German DAX, to me, guys. Yeah, the German DAX, this area here is an important one. This one here, where it is now. That's a very important area. Price keeps on staying, really, really close to the area. So I would only actually engage if I can get... Let me see how this looks here. Hold on. If I would rather trade, this one on a higher time frame, man. Yeah, this is not... I would only come back If I can get a bullish candle that's going to be pushing up like that, I would get in here. But yeah, I'm going to leave the German DAX out for now, guys. Let me just close it because I don't want to get confused by it, or I'm leaving it as is. I'm leaving German DAX as is. All right. Matume, got you, buddy. Got you, my friend. Yes, I'm still in on GBP USD. GBP USD, I'm still in there for the short. Euro USD, I know Savage is in here. I don't disagree with Savage. I think Savage is onto something with the Euro USD 1.13955. So guys, if we can loop back, we are doing phenomenally here on our first day in. All right. Is there anyone that did get in on the CAD and then made some profits there as well? Is there anyone that did? Let's quickly have a quick see here. Is there anyone that got into the USD CAD, made some profits like myself there on the USD CAD? Quickly put it in the chat facility so that I know I can leave it alone, guys. All right, so I can leave it alone and wait for it. All right, I'm trying to track where you guys are as well. Is there anyone there in the USD CAD that got out with some profits there? USD CAD, USD CAD, USD CAD. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move, guys. Let's push. Quick responses so we can move on. Quick responses so we can move on. USD CAD. Let me refresh here and see what's happening. 53 minutes in. Good. We're doing well. Okay, Brett didn't touch it. Anyone else there? I got out in some profits there. But I'm in GBP USD now. I'm waiting for it to push a little bit down further. We're waiting and seeing how that's going to happen. Hopefully the GBP USD does not correlate with GBP CAD today. That would be a bummer. All right, Tanya didn't. All right. So I was more or less on my own there with the USD CAD. Okay. Oh, you did there. Tabatso, did you get out there, bud? Did you get out? Did you get out? Or are you still in there? Let the guys know there. Where's your mind? Where are you tracking? Yeah. Are you still in? Let the guys know where you are so they know. Guys, the GBP USD should not correlate with the GBP CAD today. That's a bummer. Because then it means we're pushing up here to the areas that I suggested. All right. And that is about 31, 32 pips away. All right. Still in. All right. So you're holding still there. Okay. Got you. So guys, right now, I'm waiting on Euro GBP. I'm waiting on GBP USD to go down. US 30. I'm on one with Matume on that one because it's not. It keeps rejecting at the same place, and it just broke down below that area. So I'm with Matume on that one there. That the dollar's strength, which we have perceived now, is here, is obviously creating this movement to the downside now here. All right. So if the dollar's strengthening, we're going to see some of the oil price then shake up a little bit here now too. So the area that we'll be watching now, from now until 6 o'clock, is this neckline here. All right. Even although it would be nice to come down to 84550, I think this break and close beneath here was not strong enough to drive the price down. So price is first correcting. All right. So we might get a correction now first to the upside, and then later on we might, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, we get the oil price coming down again. It was not a strong enough push to the downside. All right. But we're going to wait and see. All right, and this is all minute frames. Now, what I don't want you to forget, this morning at 9:30, I said to you the oil price is still bullish. I'm still seeing it go to the $93 a barrel, but that's on the hourlies. So all that I'm looking at now is a trade short-term down to 81, but we're still looking at the 93, the 96s. I'm still looking at price going there later on. Now it's just a correction that I'm looking at. Short term. That's it. Please do not confuse the two. Short term correction and then medium term bullish. That's the difference there. That is the difference between the two terms. So the short term I'm trading minute frames, and the medium term I'm trading the hourly frames. So I'm dividing them in that way. Please understand the difference there. All right. So guys, so far so good. We're doing well. We earned some trades now. Like I said, a pound dollar I'm in. Euro CAD I'm in. I'm waiting for Euro GBP. I'm waiting for the gold. And I'm waiting for US30. But again, I think I'm going to abort mission with the US30 for now. For now. All right. For now, the minutes here, seem to not have any movement yet. All right. So we'll see at 6 o'clock what and where the US30 stands. I still think we're going to go up here, Matum. I still think we're going to go up here. But at this point, all right, abort mission for the long here on the US30. All right. So I'll see all you guys at 6 o'clock. I'll see you this evening. Don't be late, guys. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. At 6 o'clock, join in. We'll see where we're at. We're doing well. We see the dollar strength now, and we will take it from there. I'll see you guys at 6 o'clock. Don't be late. Don't be late. All right. Don't forget to like the stream. Taito said, Ash, it's natural to feed the algorithm those likes. So keep on liking, and share it even. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Ashley Reeve signing out. Ciao, ciao.